event i projekt management industrija. Uvijek treba nove ljude. Dio ideje ovog seminara je kreacija novih snaga, kreacija kapaciteta koji mogu odraditi i Rijeku 2020. i druge velike evente.
Mislim da je podjednako bitno za ljude koji se bave produkcijom u kulturi da razumeju kontekst politički, društveni, ekonomski u kome funkcionišu, da razumeju estetiku, da razumeju umetnike, da razumeju umetnost, ali također treba da razumeju onu racionalnu stranu, tehničku, logističku, operativnu, finansijsku stranu.
And it's of course very exceptional that Rijeka is organizing this kind of capacity building sessions with experience coming from all over Europe a little bit. It's the first time, by my knowledge, that it's so done on such a structural way. Those people will stay in the city afterwards. They will work on other projects in the future. They will be experienced. They will learn things, and they can also of a very, very great importance for the future of the city.
I like this seminar because it's very pragmatic and you have invited very interesting people we can meet from different horizons, and I think that the participants, the attendants are very active, very keen to learn.
To answer what is a good producer and the characteristics of that is somehow maybe not easy, but I think it's very important that you are able to work in a group. You need to be a good listener, I think, and you can be efficient so that you actually have something really done. That's probably the most important, I think.
U svakom slučaju super organiziran tečaj, super organizirana edukacija na kojoj sam naučio jako puno. Posebno dobro mi je slušati iskustva ljudi, predavači koji su super iskusni, ljudi koji rade nevjerojatne stvari kakve mi u našem gradu, u našoj zemlji, nemamo.
Sudjelovati, razmjenjivati iskustva s takvim ljudima je uvijek jako bitno. Mislim da u našem poslu najbitnija stvar je iskustvo i najbitnija stvar je neprestano učenje.